Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 35. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Post. Poster. Taste. Taster. Chest. Chester. Adjust. Adjuster. Fast. Faster. Mast. Master. Masterpiece. Masters. Opposed. Supposed. Deposed. Exposed. Accused. Excused. Mixed. State. Stately. Stop. Stoppage. Sturdy. Sturdily. Story. Steam. Steamship. Stale. Stealthy. Stare. Staircase. Store. Testify. Testifies. Justify. Justifies. Suggest. Suggesting. Suggestive. Mist. Misty. Honest. Honesty. Best. Bestow. Beset. Stop.